Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right in and uncover the hidden journeys inside your inventory.
So, how do you actually track one single part through a massive maze of daily transactions? Enter our hero, the trace tree. It's a powerful, hierarchical setup built piece by piece.
See the difference here? Traceable parts link directly, while non-traceable ones just use cost layers.
To crack these inventory mysteries, this tree works in two totally different directions, forward and backward. Tracing forward, that's your chronological journey, taking a part straight from its origin to final consumption. This literally shows you exactly where your specific parts ended up across every single order.
We call the end of a branch a leaf. It's basically the part's final moment in inventory.
Each branch represents a massive sequence of interconnected work orders and inventory adjustments.
Now the backward tree builds an ancestor journey. You start right from that final customer order.
Think of this like a reverse investigation. It uncovers every single part issued to that final product. In this case, the backward leaf is the exact moment raw materials first hit your inventory. These branches track sub-assemblies all the way from the very bottom up to the top sales order. So forward tracking reveals the part's destiny, while backward tracking completely uncovers the product's origin.
Beyond the basics, these trees pack a punch with Excel exports and a built-in search mechanism.
Craving even deeper database details? Well, the Logic Extender tool seamlessly adds them right into your view.
You can even build custom trees to link things like engineering masters without needing any transactional data. By using predetermined rules to link data, these custom trees make mass Excel analysis an absolute breeze.
So if you could instantly trace every component forward and backward, how would that transform your entire operation?